They say traveling alone is lonely, but somewhere between the winding roads, mountain air, and rivers, you realize it's the opposite. Solo travel teaches you to trust yourself, to make your own decisions, to sit in silence without needing to fill it, to feel completely comfortable in your own company. Every trail becomes a quiet conversation with yourself. Every view reminds you that your presence is enough. You don't just see new places, you start seeing yourself differently. You begin alone, but you don't return the same. You come back with confidence, with peace, with memories that belong only to you. And the truth is, you were never waiting for the perfect travel partner. You were waiting for the courage to go anywhere. So go, because the life you're waiting for isn't somewhere out there. It's on the other side of you deciding to begin.